is Nancy Pugh. We live in Carlsbad, New Mexico. I was working on an electric rug in my back bedroom and I seen smoke outside the door, and I jumped up, went out, and I went to the garage. I thought, oh no, and I barely peeped and I seen a little flame. So I thought I'll run around and get the hose to put it out. Well, by the time I got to the corner, the windows were already busted out and the hose was on fire, and I ran back in the house and I called 911. I said, we got a fire, I go get my family out, I gotta get my husband out, I've gotta get my animals out, and I just threw the phone down. They said I did the right thing, so I just wanted my family out. And I really appreciate the acuity insurance and the Lariat's cleaners from El Paso, Texas. They were here like Johnny on the spot, and they did an excellent job of taking care of our house and cleaning everything. I've never had my house so clean in all my life, and I definitely recommend this company for anyone that gets in the same predicament that we had, because it did destroy our cars, everything we had in the garage. And we just give the praise and glory to these people that's been here to help us, and mainly the Lariats.